Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set rate limits for API projects. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set rate limits for API projects, then you need to simply go and simply select like your API. So once you've selected your API for setting a rate limit for your API project, you need to simply involve like different kind of steps like defining and implementing mechanisms to control the number of requests a client can make to your API within a given time frame. This will help you prevent abuse, ensure fair uses, and maintain API stability. You need to simply define your rate limiting policy, choose a rate limiting algorithm like fixed window, sliding window, token bucket, or leaky bucket, and implement rate limiting like API gateway, libraries, and custom implementation. You can also configure and test like set limits, error handling, and testing. Now you can monitor and adjust like monitor your uses, dynamic limits, and adjust limits. So by doing this, you can set rate limits for API projects. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.